You're seeing these two clips of the same woman. Same makeup, same outfit, but it is the body posture that makes one on the right tell a completely different story. She is conveying a completely different message just because of her body language. Body language is a huge part of my image empowerment curriculum on my one-on-one customized sessions. Be it power posing at work, or feminine body language, or posing for pictures, good body posture is one of the most important mediums to convey a positive message about your confidence, even before you speak. Slouching over on your work desk, standing for hours, walking around with backpacks or grocery bags, every woman gets tired. And the first thing that shows fatigue is your rounded back, your curved shoulders. It also makes your belly pooch out, making you look heavier than you actually are. You cannot fake good body posture for too long. We are going to talk about ways to actually make good posture a permanent part of your life, and that can happen by strengthening different muscle groups in your body. Try this first effective move that can help your shoulders hold up straight all day. It's an exercise that you can perform anywhere without any equipment or without even breaking a sweat, which is why I decided to film this video in a dress that I would normally wear on a working day instead of wearing sports bra or fitness clothes. Welcome to Blush with me. The first exercise is reverse claps. I want you to perform 100 repetitions of this exercise. Now stand with good posture, feet shoulder width apart, and bring arms behind you by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Face palms towards each other and clap your hands together to get them as close as you can together. Try to do this 2 to 3 times a week, or at least once a day. The next exercise is a greeting posture, Namaste. Put your hands behind your back and connect your palms. It is important to make a straight line of your arms from one elbow to the other. Your shoulder blades should move towards each other. Hold this posture for 10 seconds at a time. You can perform this exercise a couple of times during one day itself. This is yet another very effective exercise that will help your shoulders and your back open up, making you look taller and confident effortlessly. This exercise is very effective if you notice your shoulders are curving in, if your back starts to hurt due to bad posture. This really relaxes too. So even if you just want to take a break and relax your back, try this exercise. Remember, small changes make a big impact. Every week, I take you through different topics, from mindset to body language to styling to face yoga, beauty to creating your online presence. There are other women just like you who want to find and create the best version of themselves. For those of you who want to work with me one-on-one, you are welcome to check out my website parmitakatkar.com for more information. These one-on-one sessions are held online via Zoom calls. If you're still under lockdown, then make the most of this time to empower your presence so that when you step out, you will just blow everyone's mind with the new, transformed you. I encourage you to share your body language concerns with me, and I'll be sure to find a fix for you. With high heels and work pressure, it is hard to maintain good posture. Watch this exercise that will help you keep your shoulders upright all day long. These exercises will make good posture a muscle memory. So for third exercise, stand with good posture, which means your knees are slightly bent, and bring your arms straight out in front of you, palms facing each other, and quickly bring them together by fluttering your hands near each other as if you're clapping, but stop just short of touching your hands together. Clap as quickly as possible while keeping your core engaged and torso stable. 100 repetitions is all that I expect from you. If you notice that your shoulders are curving in, that's also because your pectoral muscles are weak. So this exercise will help to strengthen this whole area. Make sure you keep breathing through this exercise. Don't hold your breath when you're doing it. So practice shoulder blade squeezes. Sit up straight in a chair. Your neck should be long and your knees bent at 90 degrees angle with your feet on the floor. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as though you're trying to get them to touch. Hold this for about 3 seconds, like you're trying to hold a tennis ball between your shoulder blades. Slowly release your hold back to a relaxed position. Intentionally drop your shoulders if tension has caused them to creep closer to your ears. Let your arms hang to your sides. Repeat this exercise 10 times, moving in a controlled manner. Increase to holding it for 10 seconds and then doing 2 to 3 sets per day as you get stronger. Chest tightness and weak back muscles are very common in people who spend a lot of time at a desk or in front of a computer. It tends to cause your shoulders to slump forward. This exercise helps to undo that poor posture. So in this video, I'm sharing few of my favorite exercises that are easy to perform anywhere. But when I'm in the gym, I follow a complete yoga for posture routine at least once a week that I learned on Skillshare. Check out these lessons by Deep Kumar. It is called Healing Yoga, Health-Giving Alignments of 24 Key Yoga Poses. So Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions come together to take the next step into their creative journey. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics that include illustration, design, health, photography, videography, productivity, fitness, styling, art, communication skill, music. I want you to check out the rest of it yourself because the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the description will get 1 month, one whole month of free trial of Skillshare. So you can start exploring your creativity today. And trust me, you will find yourself venturing into a variety of topics like I do. If you like watching my videos on image empowerment, on personality development, on confidence, then you will surely enjoy some of the topics on personal development, on confidence, on self-photography, public speaking skills, and many more on Skillshare. I find the lessons by Deep in his yoga series more helpful than even attending some of these yoga classes in person because all of his lessons are designed to progress step by step. He helps you open up your hips, your chest, your shoulders, and completely transform your posture in each lesson. Each lesson on Skillshare is about 1 to 3 or maybe even 5 minutes long. So you can complete the whole class and learn a completely new skill, sometimes in a matter of just 15 minutes. Think about it. If you have 1 month free trial, how many classes can you attend, explore new skills, and deepen your existing passions within 1 month? And after that, you will get completely hooked to Skillshare like I am. But remember, it is only the first 1,000 of my subscribers who will get this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity if you seriously want to learn topics without stepping outside of your house. Again, the link is in my description. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. I bet my audience too will enjoy it as much as I do. For the next exercise, now this is a very simple one to perform, but a great reminder for you to keep up good posture. When you work at a computer, hang something on your back to pull your back, making you keep your spine straight. A simple clothes hanger will do perfectly. It will not let you forget that you need to keep up your posture. The next posture exercise is also a hack that you can perform anytime while working at home. When doing house chores, hang a weighted backpack onto your front. Your body will attempt to cope with the weight and pull your shoulders back for balance. For good posture, you need not just upright your shoulders, but also develop a strong back and chest muscles and also a strong core. What do you want to see in my posture correction series next? More shoulder exercises, chest, neck, or pelvic region. That I know is everyone's concern. Do check out my video on walking with confidence. This tells you how dressing the right way and confident walk go hand in hand. I am not a certified fitness instructor. I am an image coach and I'm happy to share my lifestyle tips and help you lead a healthy life. You should definitely consult your personal trainers if you have any specific health issues or even your doctor before doing any of these exercises. I look forward to your suggestions in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are on today's video. Like I said earlier, do subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share this video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook fan page, Amazon storefront, and TikTok, so make sure you follow me on all of these social media platforms. I will see you next week. Until then, give me that power pose. Oh, by the way, do check out my power pose video. I will link it up here and I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.